Hey guys, Mark Lassane here, and we're doing a product install today. We're putting a bed rug into my new Ram EcoDiesel 1500 truck. So we didn't get a bed liner from the factory. I wanted to put the bed rug in here, and I'm going to show you a couple reasons why, and then we're going to install it and check it out. So there we go. Here's a bed rug. The way it comes in a box. It doesn't come with the alcohol or the rag, but it comes with the Velcro and the bed rug. Basically two pieces here. And some Velcro. It's all marked where to put the Velcro, so really easy install. What's cool about a bed rug, okay, this is plastic, okay, and this, which looks like carpet, it's not carpet, it's plastic. So no matter what you spill on there, it'll just wipe right off. You can get milk on there, wipe it off, gasoline, oil, use a little degreaser, cleans it right off. So nothing will hurt it. It has these ridges. So if you get water underneath it, the water will flow naturally and down out of the bed, so it won't rot the bottom of the bed, so it won't get rusty. So really this thing's going to last for years and years, protect the bed, and it looks pretty cool. So now we're going to put this thing together. We're going to put the Velcro on it, then we're going to throw it in the back of the truck and see what it looks like. We have all the Velcro strips on. Pretty easy, just put them out spaced, little marker indicators. And now we're ready to zip it up and put it in the truck. Now we're going to unpeel the rest of the Velcro, and I'm going to stick it all on, and then we're going to show you when it's all done. So just take a few minutes here, and I'll peel all the Velcro and get it all nice and firm in there, and then we'll video it when it's all done, see what it looks like. Okay, there you have it. Bed rug's all installed. Little cut out for the light. The bed. Folds down the bed real nice right here. There you have it. Could have took maybe about an hour total to install.